Hi there, it's Joshua, the Classic Competition Company, and we have a cool prize for you guys to take part in if you wish. This is a 1980 Yamaha XT500 that was in a feature film called 100 Kicks in the Desert, and this was done by Brake Magazine. So really kind of unique machine here. You can win this for just £1.99 and the draw will take place on the 5th of July, just Sunday at 10 PM. So like I said, this bike has been built as a privateer style Dakar replica. This is what someone would have used kind of back in the day. All they would have done is put a bigger fuel tank on there. So we've got this nice custom larger alley fuel tank. And then some other bits like maybe knobblier tyres, but they would have just gone off to Morocco and gone out and had a go and yeah, done some desert racing. So the feature film was done like that. So they didn't have much gear. They did it on printed out directions as how they would have done back in the day to experience it basically. And this was the bike featured in that feature film. So it's quite a cool bike. There's a YouTube video on the website linked to that feature film if you want to check it out. What we'll do now, start her up, have a little listen, see if you fancy a ticket or not. So warmed up a little bit. It does take a lot of warming up, this bike. I think we need to tune the carb a bit better. So we've just got ignition key on run here, fuel taps on, and then you just get your decompressor lever on the left here, and you get it just over top dead center, get it up, give it 2 kicks and a bit of throttle, and away she goes. Like I said, it still needs warming up quite a bit. It gives you an idea what it runs like. And it sounds pretty good. Go to the other side. Yeah, so like I said, it needs a bit more warming up really. But yeah, great fun. Had a little play around here at the farm on it. It's super fun. And it's obviously all road registered as well. So yeah, if you fancy a ticket, it's theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Like I said, this will be drawn on the 5th of July, just Sunday at 10 PM. If you do enter, as always, thank you very much for supporting us and good luck.